Hey Young Life, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. You all are sound asleep in your beds, but we're gonna change that. Hope you're ready to wake up.
Wake me up before you go. Don't leave me hanging on like a yo-yo. Wake me up before you go. I don't wanna miss it.
I'm here with my friends Morgan and Sydney. How you feeling, Morgan? She's wide awake.
Woo! Time wake up, Young Life!
Oh, we made it. Yes.
Hey, we're at Sarah Metcalf's house. We're ready to have a dance party.
Good morning, Young Life. Get up and dance with us.
Yeah!
Come on, we're not leaving till you dance. Party animal.
Oh, look at my shirt!
Yeah. What? How you feeling? Say good morning to Young Life. Good morning. Yeah. Oh, these are cute. Look. Oh, wait a second. Oh, that's sweet.
Why do you have a picture of Zach and Blair?
Zach and Blair. Hey, now we're at the Price's house. Camilla, Lily, Bishop, hope you're ready to wake up.
Just a minute, sweetheart. Just a minute. Huh? Oh, it's just okay. Hold on.
We took a picture of me. I'll be really upset. Rock took a picture of me.
Good morning.
What are you guys doing here?
Waking up for Young Life.
I'll see you juice a little bit early. I don't know.
Hey, Lily, can you say good morning, Young Life?
Good morning, Young Life.
All right, see you later. Good morning, Young Life! Yeah! Bishop, wake up! Bishop! Good morning! Oh, look at these pictures. Oh, I love it. Wait, what? Again?
That's kind of weird.
Do you guys have a picture of Zach and Blair?
I mean, no.
Is that like a Young Life thing? Everyone keeps one in their house? All
I'm
right.
jealous.
It's fine. Get out of my room! Stop! Who is that?
morning.
Are you kidding me?
Good morning, Young Life.
Oh. Ernest, get off me. I'm gonna freaking kill you. Who's rubbing me? You're like cuddling me. So creepy.
Everyone has this picture. So weird. Hey, Camilla, say good morning to Young Life.
Morning.
Great. Have a good day at school.